Hi everybody, it's Kevin Piqua here from the Paul Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram pickup truck in beautiful Piqua, Ohio. Today we have featured a 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT that is certified pre-owned. This is featured in white knuckle exterior color. This has the 3.6 liter V6 made with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Again, this is certified pre-owned. With that, you get a warranty up to 100,000 miles, 3-month, 3,000 mile warranty on the whole vehicle minus wear and tear parts, car rental allowance, 24-hour roadside assistance, 3-month trial subscription of an XM radio if it has XM. This has the leather and suede inserts. These all have the power sliding doors on all doors, including the rear hatch. They also have the 4 captain's chairs and stow and go seating. So all the seats, like you can see back here, if you can see that at all the seats can be folded flat into the floor. Makes it nice if you're bringing home something a little larger. Maybe you got some plants or home project. This again is the SXT Sport model. This also has the remote start, so you can start this vehicle from a couple hundred feet away, depending on your line of sight. So you can come out to the vehicle in the summer and it's nice and cool, or in the winter it'll be nice and warm, depending on how you leave your climate on when you get out of the van before you turn it off. This all has the power locks, power windows, power mirrors, power driver's seat, Bluetooth compatible for the phone. So if you have a compatible smartphone, you can pair your smartphone with the audio system, make and receive phone calls, and also listen to any kind of music. These of course all have rear heat and air conditioning. This is stock number CP15620T. This is again a 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT that is certified pre-owned, and it's featured in white knuckle. If you have any questions on this beautiful 2017 Grand Caravan SXT or on any beautiful vehicle you've seen on the internet or on our lot, please do not hesitate to give us a call at 1-800-678-4188. Again, my name is Kevin Piqua from the Paul Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram pickup truck in beautiful Piqua, Ohio. As always, thanks for the opportunity and have a beautiful day.